In this video, Grindness competed in a professional tournament and 25 roll left. Unfortunately, due to an injury that happened in the last video, Danielle had to skip this one. Watch the full video to see how far me and Ilya go, appearance of characters on the channel, and some funny moments.
We just arrived in class, ready to play last week of 6. It's our opportunity to repair all the mistakes we did.
Oh my god.
Sorry for interrupting the video, guys, but I just want to present to you the Grindness card. Grindness card is a card that we're gonna create to every new person that appear on our channel and we think they deserve it. So we have 3 ranks. We have white, which is the lowest, silver and gold. White, you appear on the channel, you didn't do nothing crazy or funny, but we think you deserve to have a card. That we have silver. Silver, you did something interesting and funny, you really marked a video, and so we think that, okay, you deserve this silver status. Then we have gold. Gold, we are literally legend on the channel.
Oh my god. Grinders, como é que é? Tudo bem?
Martin, show the violas, pistolas.
Ready, fight!
Yes, baby! Come on now! Come on!
This is Fabiolas Pistolas. As you saw in the last clip, Fabiolas Pistolas had tense battle in one of our videos against Shot. So due to that, we decided to upgrade his white card to a silver card. So congrats to you, Fabiola. This is Paulinho the Stringer. Due to his big participation in this video and for his big personality, we decided to give him the golden card. Guys, that's a big legend. That's a big legend. We have to go talk to him later. Guys, so Ilya is going to warm up, but like the court is completely full of people. It's ridiculous.
I don't really understand what's going on here. It's like, I don't know. I don't understand. But we have court in 20 minutes, so we're just gonna warm up physically to after destroy some
Yellow balls.
yellow balls. Very important. Skin, sand, you know. We need a very good, very important. We need a sponsor from his team.
Yeah, he's going to physio.
Não consegue tirar a temperatura.
Perfect!
Flash over.
Hey. We're gonna meet Pauline the Stringer.
Vejo então. Muito tempo no vegetinho, né? Há muito tempo no vegetinho.
Pá, preciso fazer. Isso aqui agora é uma
Preciso
complicação.
falar com o cortador.
Quer me cortar agora?
Já está aqui, não vê?
In the beginning, while I was loose, my game was flowing pretty well. I was serving well. But when the match kept going, I was missing all the balls coming to the net. Actually, I was not like in the best shape metal in this game. I was at some point when he was like up, I was already giving up actually, and only played better when we had like some small stress during the match. Moment I'm already like not playing. I'm just doing the thing, you know. But I'm not playing to win the match. I'm just being on court, you know. Of course, I'm being a bit negative, but it's the truth, and we want to share the truth with you. I was missing a lot. You see my posture. I was like always low head. He did his job. He didn't need to play like the best tennis. He just needed to put the ball to the other side of the net. I was doing the biggest part of mistakes. In the end of the match, when things were already lost, I did some good points, obviously because you are completely loose. So it was like one of the matches where of all these 6 weeks where I felt worst on court.
So guys, arriving home, I let the soup fall, and now I have to try to clean it.
Good morning, guys. Saying hello to my new friend. Right now, I'm going to, take the trash out. Today I will play against a Spanish guy. Fourth game of 11. Ilya was doing some rackets. Now, as I was saying, I'm on a mission. Mission accomplished. Now it's time to go home and eat. We have to make a stop first. We're gonna take the legend to her bus station, and then we go to the club. She's our fan. Shout out to Inês. Shout out to Inês. She's our fan. You want to say something to the Grindness?
No.
No?
You can just say Grindness.
You can just say yeah. Nothing. Bye, Grind. Now we go to the club because I'm gonna have to play. So let's see how it goes.
Ricardo is warming up for his match. He's playing like in 1 hour 30 maybe.
So like the second round of qualifying, after having by the first round, I played against a young Spanish guy. In the beginning, I was really tense, letting the ball short and missing. In my service games, I didn't start well too. I was missing a lot, and especially in my serve, I did some double faults in the beginning. The game kept going, and I felt that I was starting to be more present, be more persistent, at the same time be a little more aggressive. And eventually, his level dropped too, and I was able to go from 4-0 to 4-3. I ended up losing the first set, but in the second set, 2-all, he started to have cramps, and the game changed completely. It was really tight, really tense. But after that, I was just trying to be consistent, to force him to play, move him around, and I ended up winning the first set. So we'll go to super tiebreak. and I win, and so I go to the last round of quality.
Guess the player with Pixel.
Mas mim não serviço.
Não, eu viro a pega, esse sim.
Paulinho,
Tudo bem?
Paulinho,
Tá bom?
estás muito forte. Estás muito forte.
Paulinho, fizemos umas palavras para os teus fãs.
Olá, tá bem, bom, né? Tá? Tô muito funil, né? Há muito tempo não vejo quem. Olha, o mangá tá muito. Sabe?
Vamos mostrar de surra, ninguém pode ver. We are watching Paulinho. Here.
Mas você pensa que é o Paulinho? Compre 4 pares a 65.
Pois é, não é tua mãe que tem qual é
Sim, mas tu não interessa, tu és da cor.
Olha como é que é, está tudo?
Yeah.
Não dás uso da tua musculatura. A gaja não dá uso da musculatura que ele tem.
Quando é que tu já trouxe Chico? Disseste no vídeo que o último já trouxe Chico não correu bem.
A minha raquete voou pesado nesse jogo.
In the last round of quality, I played against Rafael Esquerdo Luque, around 1000 ETP. In the beginning of the match, I didn't start serving well, missing a lot of first serves. At the same time, in his service game, I was returning short, and him being a very aggressive player, he was always taking that opportunities to control the points and come to the net. With my second serve, he used that opportunity to always put pressure on me. What I noticed too is he was just trying to put a lot of pressure on my forehand, and I was letting it short or missing it. And that's why I believe I lose the first set, one of the big reasons. In the second set, I started to return better, putting more pressure on his service games and putting more depth. And forcing to some 30-all, 40-all. But in those moments he went for it and had all the merit winning those points just in his first serve. I started serving better and being more aggressive when I had the chance to. Still there's things to improve, but it was a nice experience.
So guys, good morning.
We don't want to hear him. Guys, today it's a day when Richie will play a main draw. So we're gonna follow him everywhere, every step he does. And he's already preparing the tactic. So every step he gives, we go after him, we help him, we support him, and if needed, we hit him. Richie is going to sign like a loser list. He's first on the list, and I think some German guy will miss, so he will play. Pretty sure. Richie is warming up with the knee for his match. He's relaxed as always.
Basically, for those who don't understand why I'm still alive in the tournament, a player from the main draw got sick, and because I lost in this round of quali, I had the opportunity to play on his turn. Basically, that's it. Now let's watch the match. I'm playing against Alec from South Africa, around 800, 900 ATP. In the beginning of the match, he started really nervous. He did some double faults. And he was not playing at his best. He was laying the ball short and missing a few balls. At the same time, I didn't start well too. I believe I was not taking the best decisions. In the beginning, because he was doing some double faults, I think he started to use more his kick, his slice, not going for big serves, so I was feeling pretty comfortable returning his serves in the beginning of the match. I was trying to move for his backhand, trying to push him back, trying to put pressure on it, because his forehand was really strong. He wanted to control the punch with his forehand, and if he had time, he could do a lot of damage with it. At the same time, he was started to put more pressure on my forehand, and I started to put the ball short. He started to control more upon his forehand too, and he eventually broke me back. One thing that happened in the match, especially in the first set, is that looking at the match, I was not taking the best decision. And when approaching to the net, I was always going to his forehand, even though he's his best shot. So that's something that was not smart from my side. Second set, he started to become more relaxed. He started to serve better. His forehand started to come faster. And I was having some difficulties on pushing to his backhand side, where he was weaker, let's say. Amazing ball from him, well played. Missed this one close, but even though I was angry now looking at me, I think it was a good choice. Actually, I should have gone to his backhand approach earlier. Here, I doubted because I knew I should have gone to his backhand, but it's okay. For Chu, I was not returning that well in the end of the second set. He was also serving better. Here, he's going crazy with his forehand. I was just trying to just put one more, honestly, because it's so fast. I'm happy with the way that things went in terms of, because I saw that things improved. So I just have to continue, and watching back these matches helped me to understand what I think, what I have to improve, what I have to focus on. So it is what it is, and we go to the next one.
So Ricardo just finished his match. Unfortunately, he lost. No ATP points today, but it was a good experience. Now he was selected for a doping test. He's trying to pee. It's very difficult. Danny?
I feel bad for the guys that are doing the test.
I don't know. Maybe 1 hour already gone.
I just have to pee to see if I take drugs to play better, but I don't think they watch my games. That's why.
Maybe you're taking drugs to play worse.
Yeah, maybe.
They're all waiting to piss. This is the piss gang.
We have to go home, and we have a long journey, so we stop here at supermarket, and we are literally eating with our hands.
Today ended the 6 week of tournament here in Algarve, but unfortunately didn't went the way we wanted, but we hope that you enjoyed.
So guys, again, 0 kilometers trying to get to gas station, but this time it's...
tens de inclinar para a frente para cortar vento.
Yo, these guys are stupid, but 3 kilometers to get to the gas station.
Calma, não traves, não posso.
Eu não estou a travar! I did it!
Gas station. We were like
Here we go, boys!
30 minutes.
Oh, 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 oh!
30 minutes with no gas. There we go.